Hi, boys and girls. We're here again with Hannah and Silas. Give a wave, guys. Give a wave. Great. All right, today you're going to teach us how to keep germs away from other people. Sometimes we have germs in our own bodies and we need to keep things safe. So, first of all, Hannah, can you tell us, when you have a cough, what do you need to do? That's not a cough, that's a sneeze. How about a cough? Good. We cough right into where? On our elbows, right. Silas, what do we do if we have a sneeze? Good. Why don't you guys both show us that and pretend to have a big, big sneeze. Ready? Oh, and then what do we do with those tissues when we're done with them? Put them right into the put them right into the garbage can. Well, would you guys like to see, can we magnify what's going to happen here? What happens when we take a look at germs and see what happens when we sneeze with that? Let's take a look. Hi, boys and girls. Oh, hold on. There we go. Hi again. I'm your germ. All right. Can you guys show me when you have a sneeze and you use a tissue? Can you show what happens to me? All right. Are you ready? Go ahead. Go. Start with a big sneeze. Go ahead. Can you guys give me a big sneeze? Go chew. Oh, using that tissue. And I'm stuck to it. And I can't get off. What do you guys do now with the What do you do with the tissue? What do you do, Silas? Hold on. Get that side. Oh, there we go. Oh, I can't get off this tissue. I'm stuck in the tissue. Oh no. What are you gonna do with me?